Next, let's look at the second method for measuring ripple. The second method is slightly different from the first one. The probe is set to DC coupling, the bandwidth is still 20 MHz, and the probe is set to 10. We measure both the peak-to-peak value and the RMS value. The oscilloscope's vertical scale needs to include a negative range. Whatever voltage you're measuring, set the vertical scale to the corresponding negative value. For example, when measuring ripple on a 5 volts rail, I set the scale to -5 volt. Now let me measure the power ripple using the second method. Take a look, I'll pause the screen, you can see it clearly here. The measured ripple is 50.4 mV, the RMS value is 50.1 mV. This result is very close to what we measured using the first method. The RMS value represents the DC voltage of this power rail. Since I'm measuring a 5 volts supply, the RMS value is about 5 volts. Compared to the first method, this approach has some advantages. It allows us to see both the ripple and the DC voltage at the same time. We can also clearly observe the overall voltage fluctuation, including both the DC and ripple components. We can see the complete behavior of the power supply. Now let me share some precautions when measuring ripple. First, do not place the probe too close to sensitive components such as inductors. Keep the probe as far away from inductors as possible. When measuring here, move slightly away from them. Do not place the probe directly facing or parallel to the inductor. DC current in the inductor can couple interference into the probe. Second, do not touch the circuit board while measuring. Keep a small distance from the board. Like this, do not touch the board. Your hand holding the probe can also introduce noise, so stay away from the board and avoid contact. Third, make sure the probe grounding is correct. The probe ground must be connected to the power ground. The probe tip should touch the positive terminal. Do not reverse the connections. Reversing them may cause sparks. It can even damage the board. These are the 3 main points to remember. Thank you for watching.